do you love about the Filipino people?
I will Tagalog this one.
Okay.
Nagustuhan ko kasi yung dito, yung ano bang puwede, mabait naman sila and lalo na encouraging sila, nagko-comfort din sila, supportive pa sa'yo and yeah, nandiyan din lagi para sa'yo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dami. I'm a student living and studying in the Philippines. In this video, I have a very special guest with me. She will be sharing her journey being born and raised here in the Philippines. Which language are you comfortable sharing your experience? English, Tagalog?
Well, I am comfortable using Filipino, Tagalog more.
Okay. Can you give a brief introduction of yourself?
In Tagalog?
Yes.
Hello po, ako po ay si Gursaran Parbansal. Ako po ay 19 years old at pinanganak po ako dito sa Pilipinas. Estudyante po sa Lyceum.
So where are you from originally?
I am actually from India, Punjab, India. I am a Punjabi.
So both parents are Indians.
Yes, they're pure Indians.
So can you share with me why your parents moved to the Philippines?
They moved here, the Philippines, to have some to gain some money, to earn some money, sorry. To earn some money for the living. And here in the Philippines, it is completely different than India. Since back then in India, there was a lot of difficulties in work. So that's why my parents preferred here in the Philippines. Mostly it is comfortable here.
Your parents got married here,
Yes, they got married here in the Philippines.
so they moved at a very, very young age. Judging from your age, how long do you think your parents have stayed in the Philippines?
I think 20 years plus. Since I am a teenager, so they got married early too. And yeah, 20 years plus.
Like you said to me in the beginning of the video, you prefer to express yourself using the Filipino dialect, which is Tagalog. What language do you guys use often at home?
Ako, ginagamit po namin sa bahay ay talagang Punjabi, yung native language ko. Pero sa akin at sa kapatid ko po, minsan halo-halo siya na may Tagalog, na may salita namin.
How did you learn your native language since you were born and raised in the Philippines?
Yung parents ko po, yung nagturo sa akin na magsalita ng salita namin. Kasi puro daw po ako Tagalog, na yun naman po yung una kong natutunan. So that's why, tinuturuan nila po ako nung bata pa lang para matuto daw po ako sa salita namin.
Do you think to yourself sometimes I'm a Filipino since I was born and raised here?
Minsan, nafe-feel ko din naman na taga dito naman na ako since dito nga ako pinanganak. Pero actually, kung tutuusin, hindi ko din nafe-feel kung Indiana ako or Filipina. Kasi, wala. Nafe-feel ko lang na nakikipaghalubilo po ako sa kanila. Nakakalimutan ko kung ano po yung nationality ko.
As a person who was born and raised in the Philippines, right? How has it been from childhood up until now? Can you share your experience with me?
Ano ba pwede kong masabi? Like, marami naman akong naharap din na difficulty sa buhay ko since from childhood to adulthood ngayon. Kasi nung bata pa lang nung una, syempre, hindi naman natin maiiwasan yung mga taong nangbubuli, nang discriminate. So, nung elementary po, na nabubuli din naman ako dahil sa nationality ko. Pero, as the time goes by, nawala din lang naman yung mga yun. Kasi nag-mature din naman lahat. So, yun, more on nung high school ako, nakikipaghalubilo na ako sa kanila at nakikipaghalubilo na din sila sa akin at naging interested na din sila sa akin. So, naging goods naman.
Let's talk about your college life. How has it been? Because you're just starting college, right? You're in your first semester. How did your classmates react to you being Indian and being able to speak Tagalog fluently?
Actually, nung nag-start ako mag-aral dyan, first day ko pa lang, in-expect siguro nila na mag-i-English ako. Tapos nung nagtagalog ako, nagulat sila sa akin na nagtatagalog pala siya. And meron yung minention ako nung one time dyan sa room namin, kung nagtatagalog ba ako or English. Sabi ko nagtatagalog po. And parang namangha sila na nakatingin sa akin.
It's normal in the Philippines for almost everyone to believe like Indians don't associate with Filipinos, like they are always kind of culture conscious. So when you go out and then you express yourself in Tagalog or you act like Filipino, how do people react to you outside? I mean, your classmates may have like enough time to get to know you one on one. But let's just say you just bump into a place and you had to speak Tagalog. How do people react when they see you?
Ah, wala naman silang nire-react, parang na-appreciate lang din naman nila ako na nagtatagalog ako. And sa amin naman, sa ako as an Indian, hindi ko rin naman na kinokontrol yung sarili ko na socialize with other people. Tapos, yun lang naman. Mabilis lang din naman sila makipag-socialize sa akin at na-accept naman na rin po nila ako na kahit na foreigner ako, nakakapag-Tagalog ako at hindi nila ako tinitignan na sa different nationality. Parang naku-consider na rin nila ako na katulad nila. Yun lang.
Like you said, you were born and raised in the Philippines. Have you traveled to India?
Yes.
So, can you share a bit of that experience? What was it like for you?
It was like, I was missing Philippines actually. When I last went back to India, I was like 50-50. Like, I love the feeling in India too, but I was also missing Philippines because I was too comfortable living here in the Philippines than India.
Wow. What are the Filipino habits you think you have picked up? Because, of course, you were born and raised here. Can you share with us?
Tatagalogin ko ito. Ano bang pwede kong masabi since, syempre, nandito ako pinanganak sa Pilipinas, na-adapt ko rin naman yung mga ibang ugali dito ng mga Pilipino. Yung parang Filipino time, ganon. Mga trends na kung ano-ano, di ba? Syempre, madadamay naman na po talaga ako dyan since nakakapag-socialize ako. So, nahahawaan po nila ako. At yun din, yung kakain ng kanin, araw-arawin, ganon.
It's safe to say that you are a Filipino. Since you were born and raised here, you can speak the language, you enjoy the culture, you enjoy the country as a whole. Now, there's something among Filipino students. I don't know if it's a standard. They always want to be like the honor student, cum laude student. Do you see yourself pursuing such goals, even though you are an Indian?
Yes, actually. I want to be a top student too with my hard work since like other Filipino students. So, yeah.
So during your high school and your preschool, are you honor student?
Wait, let me remember. In elementary, I think I had it when I was in the grade 6. And then at high school, yeah, I had. I
So
was an honor student back then.
so now that you are in college, is it part of your goal?
Yes.
There's something common also among the Indians. They usually study medicine, and I'm so shocked you're studying you business. You are business minded because in the group and once you see an Indian student, trust me, they are medicine students. So how did you develop the love for business? Is it influenced by the fact that you live in the Philippines and not in India?
Kung titignan kasi natin, yung mga nag-aaral dito, ano sila, from ibang side ng India, which talagang gusto nila medicine. Ako rin naman sa una, nagkaroon ng interest sa medicine actually, maging pharmacy sana. Kaso, nakita ko rin na mas maraming advantages ang business, ang pagiging business-minded. So, gusto ko din siyang i-try, i-pursue kung ano yung magiging resulta niya para sa akin.
Since you were born and raised here, do you enjoy every advantage a Filipino student gets? For instance, here in Lyceum, there's something called Unifast. Are you allowed to apply for it?
No, I'm not allowed since I have a different citizenship. I have an Indian citizenship, so still I am not allowed.
So, despite being born here, you're not using the Filipino passport?
No, I have my Indian.
Are you allowed to get citizenship if you want to, since you were born here?
I think so, yeah. I can get a dual one, but it could be hassle.
Can you share with me your favorite Filipino dish?
Since I am vegetarian, I am not allowed to eat any Filipino dish since it's all about meats, you know. But I love a sweet dish here in the Philippines that is called biko.
Okay.
I love that so much.
Due to being vegetarian, you've not been able to explore.
It's not like that I have been not able to explore.
How about the snacks?
Mm, yeah, I cannot eat them too.
Really?
Like the street foods,
Yeah.
my friends eat them and I don't.
So what do you eat when you're in school?
I usually have my own lunch or, snacks with me.
Oh wow, that's a lot. So when you go out with your Filipino friend, how do you get to eat? Or you always go with your own lunch pack?
I always get my lunch with me, but there's a like what do you call this? Plant-based meal that I get, so I can join my friends then.
Oh. How about traveling around in the Philippines? Can you share the places you visit?
I visited Baguio City, and I love that most. The second, 100 Islands,
Oh yeah, very close to us here.
and then Manila. Yeah, that's the only places I have been.
What do you love about the Filipino people?
I think, I will Tagalog this one.
Okay.
Nagustuhan ko kasi yung dito, yung ano bang pwede, mabait naman sila. And lalo na encouraging sila, nagko-comfort din sila, supportive pa sa'yo. And yeah, nandyan din lagi para sa'yo.
If you were given an opportunity to live in the Philippines all your life, maybe after you graduate, would that be an option for you?
I guess I would like to travel world since I've been living here for too long. I want to travel world.
But
But for living, yeah, I would like to live here.
like you said, you experience discriminations, right? Maybe in the early stage of your childhood, because of course, all of you are just kids. Your classmate might just see you for the first time and they don't know how to cope up with you. But I guess in college, it's usually reduced. How were you able to deal with that? And what advice can you give to somebody or a child going through that?
Tagalog ko po ito since maraming makakaintindi sa akin. Since nung LM po ako, opo, marami pong nangdi-discriminate sa akin na mga kaklase ko. Like, mambubuli sila na Indian ka, kung ano-anong sasabihin nila na para namang hindi ako tao that time. And then, na-cope up ko po naman yan nung nasa high school na ako. Like, ewan ko ba, siguro nag-mature sila. And then, inaintindihan din naman nila. Pero, meron pa rin yung 50% na understanding, meron yung 50% na parang walang utak na mangbabash or magdi-discriminate pa rin sa akin. Pero, hinahayaan ko na lang since kung ganun yung POV nilang tingin nila sa akin, edi go na lang sila. Basta ako, wala. Mahal ko pa rin yung mga ibang Pilipina.
Thank you for sharing your journey with living in the Philippines. So, what do you have to say to the Filipino people about their country? And then we end the video.
Maging mabuti lang kayo parati.
All right. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.